Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Take challenges to get success. In this video, we dive into a powerful story that shows how facing and overcoming challenges is the true key to success. Welcome to my another English story. Please listen carefully. Life is not designed to be easy, but it is designed to teach us, shape us, and prepare us for something greater. Many people dream of success, but only a few are willing to take the challenges that come with it. This story is about one such journey, a journey that proves that success belongs to those who choose courage over comfort. Rohan lived a small life in a busy city. From the outside, everything seemed normal, but inside, he felt restless. Every day followed the same pattern. He woke up early, went to work, returned home tired, and went to sleep with unanswered questions in his mind. He often wandered shy. His life felt stuck, while others seemed to move forward. Deep in his heart, he wanted success, growth, and respect, but fear always stopped him. He feared failure, criticism, and the pain of trying again. Because of this fear, he avoided challenges and chose comfort instead. As time passed, Rohan began to feel empty. Comfort gave him safety, but it did not give him happiness. One evening, while watching a motivational video, he heard a simple sentence that stayed with him. Success comes to those who are willing to take challenges. That moment changed something inside him. He realized that avoiding challenges was not protecting him, it was limiting him. If he truly wanted success, he had to step out of his comfort zone. The next day, Rohan made a quiet but powerful decision. He decided to take a challenge that scared him. He started working toward a goal he had been avoiding for years. At first, everything felt difficult. He struggled to manage time, made mistakes, and felt unsure of himself. Many times he thought of quitting, but he reminded himself that growth always begins with discomfort. Each challenge tested his patience and strength, but it also taught him valuable lessons. Failure became a regular part of his journey. Some days nothing worked in his favor. Plans failed, progress was slow, and doubt returned. However, this time Rohan did not run away. He understood that failure was not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Every challenge he faced made him wiser. Every mistake showed him what needed improvement. Slowly, he began to change, not just in skill, but in mindset. Rohan started talking challenges every day. He challenged his fear of speaking. He challenged his habit of procrastination. He challenged his negative thoughts. His challenge made him stronger and more confident. The journey was not easy, and the results did not come quickly, but something inside him had shifted. He no longer feared challenges, he respected them. He saw them as steps towards success rather than obstacles. Over time, the same challenges that once scared him became proof of his growth. He noticed that he was handling problems better, thinking clearly, and believing in himself more. Success did not arrive suddenly, but it arrived steadily. One day, Ruhan looked back at his journey and realized how far he had come. The life that once felt stuck now felt meaningful and full of purpose. Rohan finally understood a powerful truth. Success does not come from waiting for the right moment or hoping for an easy path. It comes from taking challenges, facing difficulties, and continuing even when the journey feels hard. Challenges shape our character, build our strength, and prepare us for success. This story carries an important message for you as well. If you want success in life, do not run away from challenges. Accept them, face them, learn from them. Every challenge you take brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, comfort keeps you where you are, but challenges take you where you want to be. In this video, we learned that success is not about avoiding problems, but about becoming strong enough to overcome them. Whether you are here to improve your English, build your mindset, or find inspiration, remember this simple lesson. Take challenges to get success. When you embrace difficulties, you grow stronger, wiser, and more confident. And that is how true success is born. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe for more English story. See you in the next video. Thank you.